Hello friends, my name is Rani Gurgaure and today's video topic is subquery in SQL. So today we will discuss about subquery. So a subquery is a query with another query, another SQL query and embedded with the where clause. Some important points of subquery. A subquery can be placed in a number of SQL clause like where clause, from clause, having clause. You can use subquery with select, update, insert, delete statement along with the operator like is equal to, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, in, between, etc. A subquery is a query with another query. The outer query is known as the main query and the inner query is known as a subquery. Subqueries are on the right side of on comparison operator. A subquery is enclosed in parenthesis. In the subquery, order by command cannot be used, but group by command can be used. To perform the same function is order by command. First subqueries with the select statement. SQL subqueries are most frequently used with the select statement. Then select statement syntax of select column name from table name, where column name expression operator and the for example consider the one employee table, some ID, ID name, so select from the employee where ID in select ID from employee where salary is greater than 45,000. Then second subqueries with the insert statement. SQL subquery can also be used with the insert statement. In the insert statement, data returned from the subquery is used to insert into another table. In the subquery is select data from modify with any of the character data function. Insert queries. Insert syntax is insert into table name, column 1, column 2, column 3. Then select from table name where value operator. Then third one is subqueries with the update statement. The subquery of SQL can be used in conjunction with the update statement. When a subquery is used with the update statement, then either single or multiple column in a table can be updated. Then for example, for one update employee, set salary is equal to salary into 0.5. Then where age is, select age from customer rate and where age is greater than equal to 29. Fourth subqueries with the delete statement. The subqueries is SQL can be used in conjunction with the delete statement, just like any other statement mention the book. Delete from table name where value operator, select column name from table name and where condition. For example, one employee table available which is breakup of employee table. The given example delete the record from the employee table for all employee whose age is greater than or equal to 29. So syntax is delete from employee, where age in select age from employee breakup, and where age is greater than 29.